percentage of this harvest?
Well, we got 3 buckets here of Thompson Seedless Grapes. We planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants that were just little stems that you buy at the store. We planted them, oh god, I don't know, 5 years ago now.
Yeah.
And this isn't even, I would say this is maybe 10%.
Oh, 1 plant. Oh no.
I
The whole thing.
I don't know. So I don't even think it's that much. Excuse the bouncing around. I saw we had a hitchhiker come in on the harvest. There's a little spider. Obviously, we brought the little spider in home, and I just missed him.
Yep, you did.
Well, that's what happens when you're blind. But these are our Thompson Seedless baby grapes. They're not as big as the ones that you get in the store yet. They're still young plants, I guess is why. But they taste just as good, if not even sweeter. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pretty soon we might have to buy a grape press. We'll press the grapes and just save all the juice. Not for making wine, just for sweet white grape juice. Yum, yum. I love these things. Don't you wish you had some of this on at your house? Bending this.
It's pretty heavy.
It's got some weight to it. And at the price of everything per pound, there's a few dollars there now.
So how do you preserve it?
Right now, I say that these the plants have they have more than paid for themselves.
A long time ago, I think.
Yeah. But see, I'm adding in the watering form and everything for over the years and everything. But they've paid for themselves. They're way up in the way up on the good side of things now. Like, you know, you buy a fruit tree for say $50, and it takes so many pieces of fruit to pay for that fruit tree. But nowadays, with the prices of things, I mean, 1 piece of fruit can cost you $1, so if it's growing a number 1 size piece of fruit, they pay for themselves quick. These little guys, we'll pluck them off of their, to save them, we'll take them and we'll just rub them real lightly like this. Then we take these and we'll throw them into a colander.
That's it.
And we'll wash all the dust from growing on them. We leave it on it when we first pick them in case we can't get to it right away. We can refrigerate them and they'll stay. But we'll take these, put them in the colander, make sure there's no little sticks sticking up. You know, pulled off good. Wash them up, and then you lay them out. You freeze them. Freeze them when they're laying out. Like, they'll freeze quick, and then you can take them and throw them all into a bag.
No, you put it on a flat surface.
No, after you freeze it.
Yeah.
You lay them out on a flat surface like this, and you freeze them.
So they don't stick together.
Yeah. Then you shake them, pour them all into a baggie, and throw the bag back in the freezer really quick, and they stay pretty good. You can get a few more months out of your grapes that way. Sometimes they start to discolor a little bit, but it doesn't matter. You take your frozen grapes, throw them in your Vitamix. All I can say with these is
Yummers.
juicy.
What did they do?
see. Holy crap.
What's that? Oh.
This whole bundle, it's...
Oh, my battery is dying again.
Well, see, look, there's... I don't know how many are in here, but there's a lot of purple.
Yeah. Because they were exposed to the sun, I guess.
Well,
not all of it, so the majority
well,
of
it had
them
a
are
big
fine.
purple tinge when I went to... So, let's see.
So, what do we have here?
We got grapes.
Today is
You're not
like
you
July.
gotta be pickier when you pick. All these. Well, now I'm dropping right at our step. Let's
Wow.
throw a couple bundles back in here. Yuck, I hate
So-
when green grapes turn purple.
Today is like July 29, 30. This is our harvest for
It's like
today.
29.
Like a week ago, we harvested.
We harvested 1, 2, 3, 4 buckets.
Yeah, 3 or 4.
Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plants.
7 plants.
7 plants.
That's it?
That's all. There's 3 on that side of the yard, 3 on that side of the yard. Wait. 3 on that side of the yard, 2 on that side of the yard, and 2 on that part of the yard. So, this is our harvest from today. They are very, very full buckets.
This is like the last harvest too.
Yeah, we cleaned everything off. We left a few on that are on the outside of the fence for anybody that wants to grab them. For the simple reason is they were down low where the male dogs pee, and we figure we got enough grapes here that we don't want to waste any water trying to wash pea grapes.
Yeah.
We've already got rid of like most of the garbage off of these, so it's basically just a lot of grapes. So now we'll wash them, use a salad spinner, and we'll take them off of a lot of them off of their stems.
We do that first before we wash it, right?
Either way,
Alright.
I mean, it definitely has to be salad spun after they've all been pulled off. But we can do a quick little dip rinse and get off a bunch of loose stuff, so when we pick, it doesn't end up all over our house. And then we'll lay them out on trays after they're washed and cleaned and de-stemmed, and we'll dry them as little nuggets.
1 layer tray.
They'll look like, yeah, 1 layer tray. They'll end up looking like little green rabbit pellets or goat drops.
What a way to harvest to destroy food.
Okay, they'll be little green candies.
There you go.
Yummy, yummy green candies that will go squirt in your mouth once you bite into them. So after we freeze them, you can use them for milkshakes, or you can just pop them in your mouth and let them thaw in your mouth so you get the coolness from it, and then you just chomp, 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 chomp. cutting and you're like starting to hold me up now.
So we're harvesting July 2014.
Yeah. It's a Grape Fest. Lots of bunch of good grapes there. Harvest them grapes. So you go like this. You go pluck, then you
How does it taste?
tastes better than when you buy in the store. Nice Thompson Seedless Grape. And you cut it. And you say, look at all of that. God, you feel this right here. This is pounds. This isn't a pound. This is pounds. Lots and lots of weight. And there's lots and lots of these. So we pick them and we chill them.
Looking good.